Hey everyone, it's Colleen. I wanted to come on today and just give you an update of some recent changes that are going on in my life. My husband is downstairs practicing guitar. I hope you can hear me okay. You may hear a guitar at some point, but we'll just roll with it. Let me just get right to it. What is going on with Colleen? So there are a couple things. First and foremost, I wanted to let you know that I will no longer be participating in the Refresh Your Stash 2026. Why? Because I already refreshed my stash in 2025. It's already been done. No point in doing it again. When I did my fluctuating stash video in July of 2025, that was me refreshing my stash. I got rid of the old kits and started working on the old kits, and I've completed 6 or 7 of them. I'd already done it, so no point in me continuing to do it. I also will continue to complete my whips. I think I have 20 something, but I'm not going to be participating in the whip detox either. I want to be able to just do what brings me joy in the moment. I'm not going to hold myself to having to complete particular whips. I know it's a no stress event, but I am not going to hold myself to any pressure. I'm gonna chill and do what makes me happy and brings me joy. What I will be doing is I will be posting random updates or finishes in the Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 group. I will continue to do that. They have a new theme every month, and it'll encourage me to start a project in that month, but I don't have to finish it that month. I'm not going to worry about starting and stopping or completing my whips in any time frame. Who cares? Like how long you have a whip that you haven't worked on it. So I'm not going to put that stress in my life. I'm not going to accept that stress in my life. It's not supposed to be stressful. This is a fun hobby and something that I love and enjoy doing. And kitting up is one of the things that I enjoy, and I'll eventually finish the painting. Okay, and then the next thing that I will be doing is I will continue to do the paint along that I'm doing with Painting Sparkles. I'm really enjoying that. She and I are doing Abundant Blossoms together, and we both post our progress. We agree to a section that we're going to do a week, and then we post an update on Sundays. So you can go see those updates on my Instagram. I hope you'll join me over there just to take a look at what we're working on. And I think that we will do another one together in the future, so stay tuned for that. But it's been a whole lot of fun, and it's been great getting to know Romy at Painting Sparkles. The other thing that I will be doing is I had just received my Associate's in Science degree in November of 2025, but I took off the holidays from school to just take a break from college. I am going to go back starting Monday, tomorrow. Today's Sunday. It's March 1st. I've signed up for one class for this term. As long as I take one class, I don't have to re-enroll at the college. It's online. I may not take another class this year, but I decided I'm going to go ahead and take one this term. I don't need the degree. I think I've said that before, but there's just something in me that wants to get a bachelor's in arts. I won't be diamond painting as much in the next eight weeks. The term is 8 weeks. I will still diamond paint. It just won't be as much. I will also do a monthly review and a whip progress update. So whatever whips I work on during the month, I'll share. I'll post updates on that. And then what else was it that I wanted to tell you? Oh, yeah. And then I'm on a no buy. I'm not buying any more canvases. And the reason that I'm not buying anymore is because when I did my fluctuating stash video and my D-stashes that I've done, I basically refreshed my stash in 2025. I am now left with all the canvases that I really want to do that are special to me and I want to hold on to and just focus on doing diamond paintings. I'm really at a place where I'm just not interested in the things that are coming out or the need to add to my lovely collection. my archive of diamond art. So I just wanted to come over here and let you all know that my goals for 2026 have already changed. And I'm not surprised because I've never been one to make New Year's resolutions. Okay, so that's everything that I wanted to share with you today. Be on the lookout. I'll be posting my February month in review, and I'll share what whips I've been working on. You all have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.